As virtual assistants, we sell our time and our expertise, right? So if you're maxing out all of your available time, like you cannot work with any more clients, have you reached your maximum income? Not by a long shot, my friend. And in this video, we're gonna talk about exactly how to break through that income plateau and make more money without more work. I often say that the key to freelance success is identifying an in-demand, high-paying niche skill that you can start offering right now. Now, the more niche your skill, which by definition, a niche skill is something that you have an expertise in, whether you went to school for this particular skill or you taught yourself, but you have a skill that maybe Joe Schmo next to you doesn't have. And if you have a skill that's in demand that not everybody offers, you can offer a premium price on that service. So the more limited, the more high-end that skill, the higher you can charge. Now, I like to spruce up my own niche skills and keep a close eye on industries that are in demand, and those change from year to year. So in this video, I'm actually going to talk about 3 in-demand industries in 2020 that are going to blow your mind because I know they shocked the heck out of me. According to research by the freelancing platform 99 Designs, the fastest growing freelance industries in 2020 include astrology, biohacking, and CBD. That's the non-psychoactive compound found in cannabis. I kid you not, the 3 most in-demand industries as of 2020 blew my mind. Did I ever expect to see astrology or biohacking in there? Absolutely not. So let's dig into a little bit more about what these mean, what exactly these industries are looking for. There's been a 127% uptick in design and logo contests from companies that are related to horoscope apps and spiritual consultancies. Wow. So maybe in this one, if you are great at design, if you have your own Etsy store, if you can whip up a couple logos, start looking at horoscope apps, companies, spiritual companies who are maybe looking to expand their growth. See if you can actually send them a couple samples and pitch yourself as a design VA who really understands the intricacies of the astrology industry. There's biohacking. What the heck does biohacking mean? There's been a 71% increase in freelancers who are hired to cover topics related to biohacking, like sleep tracking, intermittent fasting, and IV hydration therapy. Now, this to me says that there's a real demand for understanding alternative lifestyles, including intermittent fasting. A lot of this is related to health and nutrition. So if you're a VA and you're thinking, I want to get into the next big growth industry, look into health, look into nutrition, look into sleep experts, look into people who are exploring things like intermittent fasting or different diets and how they might affect, I don't know, different blood types. But there are a lot of things out there where you can help lend your expertise. If those are things you're interested in, great. But if not, you can start looking into those industries. You can research, you can be copywriting, copy editing. You can have a pulse on maybe where that industry is going and topics that you think readers will like to hear about. And the last one, CBD. You know, CBD is found in so many things nowadays: food, beverages, beauty products, pet supplies. Now, this definitely provides freelancers like you and me an opportunity to incorporate that topic into the niche. Again, if you're a writer, if you're a website designer, if you are great at researching products, reach out to people, reach out to your favorite CBD pet product and pitch them. Tell them that you will research their competitors, where the industry is going, what sort of products you think pet owners will be interested in buying that they don't already offer. Now, if you were as surprised as I was with this list of growing trends in 2020, leave me a comment. I mean, this list totally rocked my mind. Never in my wildest dreams that I'd think I'd see CBD and biohacking as up and coming industries. But I think this video proves that by us as virtual assistants or us as freelancers thinking outside the box, we can remain relevant, we can remain especially relevant within industries that are hot, that are growing, that are up and coming. And I argue that keeping yourself constantly relevant is the key to successful freelancing. Because if you can keep yourself relevant to your clients, if you can prove that you've got your finger on the pulse of the economy, where products are going, what people are interested in, I think you'll prove pretty invaluable to your clientele. So get creative, do a little brainstorming on these 3 topics, see what kind of things you could offer, see what kind of companies are out there within these niches. Are they hiring? Are they growing quickly? What are they looking for? What are they lacking? And how can you come in and fill that void? Crazy video this week, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Get those creative juices flowing. Keep a list going of specialty niches that you can offer. And I'll see you guys on next week's video. Happy biohacking.